guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satini. Thank you for stopping by. If you like the content that you see on this channel, please feel free to subscribe, to like, to share, and to leave a comment. We live in a time when it is possible to make an income from the comfort of your home. During this time when the world is struggling with the pandemic, it has become more and more important to make an income outside of your 9 to 5. So today we are going to try and turn those lemons into cash. From time to time on the internet, you will notice that there is a lot of surveys that pop up on websites when you visit websites or on YouTube. These are companies or brands that are trying to get you to answer questions about their products and about their services. However, this is a great way of making money. Companies are always conducting market research because they want to find out what the consumer, the person using their product, thinks about their product or service. I never speak about something that I had never done before. I will always speak of something that I've done before, used, practiced, and know that you can generate money. There's many surveys out there that you can do, but you might not be paid for it. Instead, you're just wasting your time. However, the ones that I'm going to tell you about are ones that I've used and that I've made an income. I love to use Survey Compare for doing surveys. I always do surveys on their website, and they pay me via PayPal, they pay me via gift vouchers, and from time to time I will also get free samples. I will tell you how it works. So what they will do is that they'll put a survey on their website. They will ask you to fill in some questions about yourself. These are just generic questions like your age, how many people are in your household, and if you use particular products in a month. Obviously, they want to find the person that is most suitable, that uses and understands this particular brand, because they want to get the best. They want somebody who knows the brand, who knows the product, and that has used it before. Once they've asked you all those questions, and if you qualify, most of the time it is very easy to qualify because these are not unknown brands. It is most of the time well-known brands. Once you qualify, you will move to the next step and start completing the surveys. All surveys are different. They can range between. The time to take to complete a survey can range between 5 to 10 minutes or 5 to 20 minutes. It depends on the survey. The amount paid as well is also different. It can range from anything to $1 to slightly more or even slightly less. With surveys, the one thing that you need to understand is that the more you do, the more money you make. Most survey websites need you to reach a certain threshold before they can pay out. It can be $10, it can be $20, but they will pay out eventually. This is a great tool to make money once you're in the comfort of your home. You don't need to leave the house, just on your phone or you're on your computer, and you are all good. So what do you need to complete these surveys? All you need is a phone or a computer and working internet and a PayPal account, and then you are good to go. The second source of income that I'm going to tell you about is consulting. This is ideally for people who have qualifications or experience in a certain field. It can be engineering, it can be teaching, it can even be plumbing. Companies and individuals are willing to pay a fee to get some advice or some insight on the field that you know best. Why not turn that experience and qualifications into some money? There are various sites online that you can sign up with to advertise your services. One of the sites is Clarity FM. You can sign up to their website free of charge, and then they will list you, and if someone sees your profile and likes the experience that you have or the qualifications that you have, they then can facilitate that person contacting you for your services. There is many other sites. Clarity FM is just one of them. Some of them are paid, some are paid sites, some of them are free sites, some of them are free at the beginning, and then as time goes by you need to upgrade to a paid service. If you're starting out, I would say start out with the cheapest or the one that is free that you can find online. Do not always invest a lot of money in something when you're starting out. Feel how it is in the beginning if you like it before you invest in a lot of money. But at the same time, do not be afraid to pay a little bit for paid website if you're going to get more clients from that. The third way to make an income online is to write a book. This is something that I'm very passionate about as I am a creative person. I am an author and I have written a book called The Witch Doctor, and it is available on Amazon and on Kindle. This is a good way of making money without throwing out a lot of fees for publishing and getting your book out there, getting your work out there. Once you have written your book, all you have to do is sign up with Kindle and Amazon to facilitate. They will facilitate your book being available online and people purchasing your book. I would advise starting out that you sell your book at a very affordable price. That way almost everybody can be able to buy it. I know that it is very tempting to sell your book at a very high price in the beginning, but when you are a newly published author and nobody knows your work and you don't have a publishing giant behind you, people might not be willing to purchase your book when it is very expensive. That is why it is better to start off with a reasonable fee. Tell your friends and your family about it. That's the best way to promote your book. If they like it, they will tell other people as well. You can also promote your book on social media, on your Twitter, on your Facebook, and on your Instagram. You can use, those are amazing channels to promote any product or service, including books. We all have something that we no longer use or that is old in our house but we haven't gotten rid of, just because we don't have the time or we don't know where we can throw it away. Facebook Marketplace is a great way where you can sell your pre-loved items. You can sell from anything from clothes to furniture or even plants on Facebook Marketplace and on Gumtree. All you have to do is list your item with the price and the buyer will contact you. To avoid transport costs or other unforeseen costs, I would advise that you would put it in as collection only. That way clients only come to you to buy the product and you don't have to go to them to avoid such costs. However, if you are going to be letting people come to your house to prioritize safety, I do suggest that you have another person at home because there are psychos out there. Most importantly, for you to be successful on Facebook Marketplace is be truthful about the product that you're selling. If you're selling a TV and it has any scratches on it, or if it is not working properly, tell the person buying your product in full. Just to be on the safer side, I would suggest that speak to them via email and explain all the product's faults on email. That way you have proof if they later on come back to you and say that they don't want the product because of A and B, and you actually have proof that in the past you did tell them everything that they needed to know about the product. You don't have to only sell working items on Facebook Marketplace. Also sell broken items. Broken appliances are a great deal for repair companies because they use that for salvage parts.